As you can see over there, the weather is now changing and extreme cloud cover is coming tonight. We can see, and this amplified the weather for today because it's too hot, and we can experience a light drizzle tonight, and then from tomorrow we can experience heavy to very heavy thunder showers from tomorrow in Karachi, as the third monsoon spell lashes Karachi. Okay, then I will share you more videos. I will make more videos from tomorrow onwards. And if there is a good possibility of rain tonight, then I'll make a video of drizzle or rain tonight if there is a possibility. And for tomorrow schedule, I will also make videos and share content with you more and more in contacting the weather related series from tomorrow, because the actual weather season will start from tomorrow, and we can say that just be grateful that tomorrow we can experience good thunder showers. And I will make more videos and share more weather related content up to you based on weather schedule and weather events. So we can see over here it's a 52% cloud cover, and over there it's a 92% cloud cover. At the half side is only a half chance of cloud cover, and over here you can see the black shelf has been covered in the entire cloud. It's like 75% cloud cover, and over there 18% too. So it's equivalent to a 90% cloud cover altogether.